Kade Senior High School. This is a video. Any. Now, omobo ball teacher ni uti sutro ba kwa say but the last one. So, Emi ebeka ho asem ofia ha. Ya kan ho asem ofia wie ya no posi for say yeguso yenhwehwemu yeguso yenhwehwemu. Eno ya ho. Ena posi for ban update say mrantie no enum almost so mumu. And this is a video. And I have dropped that video for us. The good news is that the Ankrana boys now mukudi answer phone no. Posi for asumumu. Inti omani here ni here helenim awofo wa wo hwa we nya mi nje nim tia na mi bu obi na mum wa wo hwa awofo ye gina he ya hwe ma mi yanim he bapai ne wre ho aho nyina akowie se ya enkrofo yi yan ye ni bie no ya na ebedi nsemfo sei
Akoma FM
nanim so oba share omanimu a yini Kade Senior High. Yes, Kade Senior High. Mofanchem school near Kade Senior High. We did this story last year. We did the story last year. Now, and they Mranti ano ne do mo kono.
Akoma FM 87.
I heard many mudia. Obi aje ne krata. Okay. Yenua ba ko a e fra no awuno Godwin. Oye Eastern Regional Chairman Edema Nagrat. In fact, oko Kade Court enra oko hobi. And I believe sir we ebe good news for them. Mami Musa no say how did they receive sad news we say emrantie num police fonsa kan omo. Minia Godwin, good morning.
Good morning.
Na bibi aboko there.
Na bibi aboko.
So mo fan news we say after several months, if I'm right, about 2 months, right?
Yeah.
Na post for etimi achemrantie yimu enum minim say number no ye the exact number omo attack teacher ni na say na omo ye more than that based on maybe the reporter the factor mo ankasa mo.
So me that say me jina wo video so na next year what you for na net to me e teacher poa or more than after me na. Me say ya kan me say last year and now on the video no aye viral and say you jina for your press conference for video. Emma IGP 14 working automating say everybody saying that when to me and check am for na a blue school I met baby schools from every SHS on the DNR. You better what we called sit down strike. Na sena na manoko ni na no IGP abomodema emenansa and on a special cyber security team. Ebe PMO Kade omo arrest of 4. Omo kwache ba ko kuma so na ndi anopa na omo de me ka ho Kade Magistrate Court. Omo di o matem. Omo na do gori na omo fute di na kwa 7. Now, show video in just a few minutes, but it took the teacher more than almost 20 minutes to free himself.
Hey.
Yes, it took almost 20 minutes to free himself. I only appointed a call me. I don't know how I could pen almost door entrance gate to make a fear. Entrance gate to make a fear. No, ma, it's just for no free by. And then, ma'am, from Uganda, I cannot find the man can
So 20 about 20 minutes there now a sotron one said the Asian so tron
any bani. Can you give me a dear? Now I'm the room.
But the teacher didn't know what to say.
Oh, Nanya Dom. Ever since a year, press conference me, I didn't hear you now to make school. What would be so and run so about courts or many man and so about courts will be. The BIA, you know, fine.
Is it the first time school no could I be at that Subani at the area?
But I think Kade high school, no, and you see, you're the first one, but because I'm about power, no, and a taking national attention. As I said, it may be a pay, but I want to talk to my police, but I'm trying to see that they are into there. Where did you buy and Sana? You come on investigations in the church. Similar things being to SHS. And a time and my little plan to almost down there up against a teacher. So I want to try to insist this because you the phone you today. If you only take it on phone man, so for other ladies, and I got them a little bit at home. So you have to know down before them. And then I'm telling you, I have to know that before them. Emma, just I say, Obama really doesn't demand any transportation from the teacher. So I'm don't come and become a
So we that usually know engage community members nibi. I mean gangs now our communities nimuno.
Yes, time
about school nim. This one happened. Money didn't happen within the premises of the school.
Outside the school, the teacher was also going to the house because almost enough accommodation and my teachers no. Into the not say outside the school premises.
That just say ube we name we now utisi abontia na Abrantia no students too no omo ye day students and omo ye boarders.
Omo ye day students. Omo ye day students omo ko e na eba. and I said, for that time, and not Kade him man, and at that time. In terms of a branch, and so honestly, the Kade teacher didn't say Kade. And he went to where they were having the funeral. It's a one of the student boys, export on the into all Latin in Napo for the teacher in the it's a more than I just saw cooking or more escort on Kakan, and to say, I'm engaging with that pathway man or what I say, you're the beatings,
And
it was so pathetic, so barbaric, and we're happy to President John Dramani Mahama also came and said, they need to be punished. And that is what I think the judge did that for the first instance by reminding them for 2 weeks into prison custody and police custody.
And the air question, is it possible, say, maybe teacher, Nagrad for more make here for say be on better transfer, because maybe at some point a bit made point to be a barber target. Because I'm not so now we say even though the Amranti and I are not yet. But obey my target within the community. Is it possible, send Nagrat, move pushing for teacher in the transfer now?
Yes, I don't know. That's what they have been established. It's a teacher in engagement, on your culture and say, you need change of environment. Nagrat is ever ready, the regional director of education is ever ready. Director General of Ghana Education Service will not hesitate to give the transfer to the teacher to wherever that he wants to be. Because remember the national canker, and everybody is talking about it. And then, is that issue look at what kind of and then I'm be discussing, I'm not going the public domain. I'm going to engage him on that to see, say, whether he is safe, he feels like remaining in the same school, or he wants to transfer, then we take the necessary step to effect it.
But Mwankasa within Mumra Namode Jumano and Mamo Kwanse Mubetimi as suggest Yamano say
we can do that.
At this
point.
Okay.
But hey, be a man and I didn't say be a
baby. Wow. But after say we make that arrest now, Mranti and Isia Womo Eduomo Akoko no. I mean, within the community, no, there na ekoso, nkomoba na ekoso, because I said I can say in your first time, it be a sipping.
Yeah.
There na ekoso.
Yeah, community, no, they always think that the school is their bona fide property. Not in order to be a school. You know, the commercial teacher school no crowd discipline before my parents in Ankara. It mobilize or more new mobilization for an attack, to small attack the staff, because there was one incident where we did buy our engagement in the senior house mistress in the school class. My friend is a student and I'm not supposed to send mobile phones to schools. It's a father or more J or confirm parents and not some kitwa, mama, papa, and they came to the school because the senior house teachers on campus almost a young from Kitwa, insult upon insults. I think the young Nukan and Mutual Banadi. But of all these things, and whenever the issues happen, they report the matter to the police. But they do little. And until now, a press conference, I issued that ultimatum to the IGP. Giving the IGP 14 working days, and say, on the the special forces no mobile only say arrest and only specialized people they were specialized trained as well, because now I live young after where the students were hiding, they were able to go there and then to arrest them, even to the extent of getting one person from Ashanti region. I'm saying hold up for it, we're gonna for home and now
wow, I see.
Now, and we are not so many court premises. My friend be our phone edition for no buy. And you share some of the videos that are going viral now, you can see how they were wailing, they were crying. Even one of the boys now, or some 3 students of the Kade school, the mother even collapsed in the court premises. Or they have to take her to a nearby cheap compound. But by the time you reach two premises, one not waiting your revival, not be there. But the only thing you see is the families were just crying. They even said their children didn't do well. And then they said that is how it needs to be. They need to be given some slight punishment to serve as a deterrent to other schools. Every year, every school for secondary schools now Ghana. So I want to know if I am and show me some. Now only and the and teacher for teacher me estimate and we're going to say I know and yet every other I do way say also me na me to me papa na e me me that is what some of them have that thought. That will be relate to the chief, they relate to the assemblyman, they relate to some of the big politicians and that kind of thing. And when all these things come, now you're not a money here, Juma, and so my family soon answer, and my plan, your man, I'm going to say, but we will say the Kade issue, will be a very serious deterrent to students across the entire country in Ghana here.
Wow. Mini my na ase ma konkoden. I mean konkoden na makoba me nim de obeka kire ewiase nyina Ghana fo nyina tie anope about teachers mo ankasa mudwumadi amudi any communities amuwo mu no. Afuto be na ode be ma communities a schools ahodo ewom teacher 40 mu any niema ya no mu go through.
Le da so le gbe to na me kwa akonya no. Ni am be se me ka kire awofo awon stakeholders. Ni teaching ni pe eni ye ma ye che o ma de ni pe ni aba no obi bia wan fa nye additional de ke pa e kan pe the community be school ni discipline na won ti atia yo kwa bi o wa go to na pa ko head mistress and na ta ta is really a very na eti the teacher ni ya na de na ni anje ho na ye tumi ase na ye tumi ye fan say schools bia no ye wo give this committees so the year, most committees, immediately are set up to deal with the matter. Then we say, we school me, never discipline, or now we have a shot, and Nano, every show in fact, so I could be in your money, and Nadia and Nano, a bit fair, and I said the mouth out on, or can we have to know, then and Nano, and we did it. Now, we shall tell you about the Mufana Catano, I'm secondary school for Bankasa, no from 3 to 3 and not the bit school because and now the social media and school to another monetary market for our team in a review. Let us another that. And you know, your best letter, you need a man capta degree. You need a man capta, you need for a shepherd. School no come, the tendency of the school. Tell that you really have a DSC. And after that, a certificate or children of the camera or the short transfer, it's not transfer or additional. Now, you say, when you throw a ball against the wall, it bounces back to you. So, what to ball ever die? A summer one that's our own chain. Into nobody ever move for us. I don't say that you are in thank you, Quayson, so that's about so. In general, you need to enter my teacher, for example, a teacher for a year and another child. I remember where you're married. I can't even hear. There's no resource. Sometimes teachers like us, every session go to community the year. When teaching and learning materials, everything that one of family to me, additional to my qualifying. Now, also teaching now a passion. I also use script to not at it, or the far, Unita, Abba, or the son, Star, a teacher, man, so actually, your son, and a year, and 10 level of action, it can be true, or measure a man or so. You know, and you do creation. I mean, we do not happen so. Asha awful na bofe onu na man kata e san enu na ya ba ko mo fam de na di enna ni de na e school no enti no ansaka na ma befi enti ye so ya awful ni de mo mo na no ye na mo na ye mo fam na kata se na ba mo fam de tumi ye mo adwe e fi enyama emma ho no na etunya boa mo ma ba bo so tumi fi pe. All
right, we need God we me that say
mo tumi da to de we
so for oye Nagrat chairman ewo Eastern region. Nti the woman no na this is it before amantia no na omani abra o mo hwe sotro party chani sotro
Akoma FM
Hey,